Hi guys and welcome back to another week vlog. It is afternoon on a Monday. It's a little bit of a later start, but basically I spent majority of my morning rushing because I woke up an hour and a half late for a little lunch date with my granddad, so that went great. So he came and picked me up at 11. My cat is standing literally right behind me. Hello. Yeah, you stay there where I can see you. Yeah, what is it? Get back there. So yeah, I didn't vlog any of that because I was obviously with my granddad and we were going over some personal matters. So for the rest of the day, my makeup looks really good. I've tried, by the time you've seen this vlog, hopefully you would have seen my testing video, but I have the new Shape Tape foundation, the hydrating foundation. What do you think? I personally love it. So that is what I'm wearing on my face today, and my makeup has looked so freaking good with it on. Hello, how are you? But I have gone with an all black outfit because I've literally just got in. So I've got a black jacket on, a black leather jacket, leggings, and then my white NMD. So I'm looking a bit, I've gone for the all black look, but the white shoe look as well at the same time. Does that make sense? It made sense in my head. But yeah, later today, we have an Asda order coming between 5 and 7. So I may be able to show you that. Good morning, it is now Wednesday morning. I know the last segment clip that you saw was me on Monday, but since then I just haven't really filmed or vlogged or anything because I just haven't really been in the mood. It's been a weird week. It's been a very weird start to the week. I thought because I haven't really vlogged and there isn't really much going on, I thought I would vlog or incorporate into the vlog the What I Eat Wednesday tag video situation. So I am going to basically show you what I eat in a day, but stick it into a vlog. That made more sense in my head. So yeah, that is what I am going to do now. I am going to make myself some breakfast, show you guys. So this is the cooking with Jess segment of this video situation, and I'm just going to make myself a smoothie using my Blend Active smoothie maker thing. So firstly we're going to be needing half a cup of soya milk or milk substitute, so I'm going to be using me almond milk. So half a cup of milk goes in there. Then it's a tablespoon and a half of Nutella. So a tablespoon and a half of Nutella. I really like Nutella. As you could probably tell from there. Then you're going to be needing half a tablespoon of honey. I had to pick the one recipe that has really sticky items in. Then you are going to be needing half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. So that's what it looks like right now. It's not looking appetizing. But next is, bear in mind this is for 2 servings, is a whole banana. So for 1 serving you just need half, but I like my bananas, so I'm going to stick this entire banana in and just... Doesn't matter how small or big you chop the banana chunks up because they're going to get blended anyway. So you can also add 2 ice cubes to this and a scoop of soy protein, which is completely optional, but I don't use protein and I haven't got any ice cubes on me. So that is basically the mixture, but I may also add some strawberries just to sweeten it just a little. Again, it doesn't matter how small or big you chop these up. And then that is a very delicious looking smoothie. Stick the top on. Oh my god, that smells so good. And that is my breakfast for today. I will leave the recipe down below. I'll write it down below for you guys if you are interested in this recipe also. I mean, just look at her asleep on the pillows. Oh. My hair's doing things, I'm not quite sure what, but I look like I've got a pineapple stuck to the top of my head with my hair just... I don't know, but I've left the cat to sleep still. I wish I could have a life of a cat because my life would be so much more simpler and easier and just lazier. Is that even a word? Lazy. More lazy. But it's now time for lunch, so I have made this. It doesn't look very healthy or well, actually it doesn't look very appetizing to me, but it doesn't look very healthy. But I've just gone with a little, a snack situation. So I have a sour cream and chive 30% less fat dip, which goes out of date today, so I need to finish that. I also have some mini Scotch eggs, some mini sausage rolls, some ready salted crisps and some breadstick. I've also done the chore of cleaning all of my makeup brushes and my 2 beauty blenders. I really like this makeup sponge from Tarte. She's secretly guarding my food. This is just a custard slice Tarte situation, just a little sweet treat. I am just embracing the fact that I look really bad today, but I've just had this arrive in the post. This is from QVC. This is the Laura Geller Bring on the Bronze 3-piece beauty collection. I love this packaging. Laura Geller, you have killed it with the packaging. I've never not liked her packaging. I've loved everything that she's brought out. Makeup, the packaging, give it to me. So this is a 3-piece set, and this is on auto delivery, I think that's what it's called, for every 90 days, so every 3 months. So I will be receiving this every 3 months, and it's the exact same except for the lipstick, well, the lip gloss that is in here will be a different shade every time. But this is a retractable brush. Let me just get the packaging off. A fluffy brush, which is ideal when you are. This is the Laura Geller Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss in the shade Sunkissed. So this is a really pretty rosy pink colour, and this smells like vanilla frosting. It smells amazing. So let's just give that a good old swatchy swatch, and that's what it looks like. It's a really nice shiny rose goldy rosy pinky colour, and I live for that. And this is the Baked Body Frosting Face and Body Glow in Tahitian Glow. Look how big that is. Yeah, you can see everything in the mirror, but look how big that is. This is honestly, it smells amazing as well, but this is super sized, and you can use this bronzer as an all over face bronzer and all over body bronzer. But yes, that's all I've got to say. It's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon, coming up to 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So dinner will be around 7, 8ish. Good morning everyone, it's now 11:15 on a Friday morning. I know it's been like a day and a half since you've last seen me, but basically I didn't show you what I was eating for dinner on Wednesday, and that is because we got some bad news when we sat down for dinner, so that's why I just didn't vlog. And yesterday I didn't vlog because of the bad news, which I won't delve into because I'm gonna keep that off YouTube. It's nothing, yeah. But basically what I had for dinner was chicken wraps. So because it's 11:15 now and I need to film my beauty video, I will more than likely have chicken wraps for lunch. So I will show you what I had for dinner today instead. Does that make sense? Also, ignore the fact that my hair is wet. Just got out the shower. And you know, I don't really like to put any heat on my hair, so it's naturally air drying. I also have my United States Chicago top on, and I also have a little cheeky haul that I'm just going to show you very quickly before I film my makeup video. And I am somewhat tired today. I'm very tired today. So in the big old box from Superdrug, this literally arrived just as I was about to get in the shower. Thank God I wasn't in the shower because I really don't want to open the door in a towel. That's hella awkward. In the haul, I am going to start off with these. These are like the most talked about sheet masks on my channel. These are the Garnier Skin Active. I have 2 of the new ones, which are for purifying, hydrating and pore tightening, and these are a charcoal mud mask with black algae, LHA and hyaluronic acid. I really like these. And then the other one is another Garnier Skin Active Moisture Balm, and this is intensely hydrates, comforts, soothes and leaves your skin feeling smooth, soft, rehydrated, everything like that. So these are the ones that I like, these are like my go-to sheet masks at the moment. And there was an offer on Superdrug that if I was to buy 3 Garnier products, i.e. 3 sheet masks, I would get this free tumbler jug thing from Garnier, and this is basically hydrate, feel great. And I actually really like the quote on it because hydration is key, people. Hydration is key. Next, I've got this Hydro Gel Under Eye Mask with purified water, seaweed extract and licorice from e.l.f. I kind of saw these on the e.l.f. website in America, and I was like, I'm not paying like £20 shipping or whatever that is. I'm away, and I did, and these are now in Superdrug, and I really want to try these. Next, I got this little guy. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade Fair Ivory, which is 102. And this is honestly, by far, my favourite godsend, lifesaver, ride or die, holy grail matte foundation from the drugstore. It's honestly so good. And then I got another top up on my matte maker from Maybelline as well in the shade Classic Ivory. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know I've spoken about this so many times, and I've been getting back into using this face powder again, so I got a top up on that. I also got this little what is it called? Maybelline Master Drama Light Liner, brightening eyeliner in the shade Highlight Bronze. So this is what it looks like. And then we have that. Next is from L'Oreal Paris, and this is a infallible lip cream in the shade 101 Girl on Top. And this is like a really nice coral peachy cream lip gloss situation. I honestly love these lip creams. And they smell so good all the time. I saw this on Superdrug, not that I need it, but I saw it on Superdrug next to this Revlon Matte Balm in the shade Enchanting, I believe, which is just basically a thick-ass crayon. And this is like a nudie peach colour, and these two side by side on the website look so good. So I bought them. And then lastly, I got this little Revlon highlighting palette. This is in the shade Rose Glow, and it's super pretty, very rose goldy. I mean, I think you could use this as a very shimmery blush, or like it's probably supposed to be used as a highlight, so I'm going to use that today as well. Hello again. I have just finished recording this makeup look for you guys. I will link that down below for you guys. So I am just now having to clean up the mess of everything. It's just gone 12:30, I believe, 12:30, 1:45. So I am going to quickly clean up here, and then I will be making myself something to eat, and then probably getting back in bed to watch some more originals. Actually, no, I can't because it's now Friday, and I've only just finished. Oh, it's quite the fairy lights in the background. Because it is Friday, like I've said like 3,000 times in this vlog, I need to edit actually. So I need to start to edit this vlog, and I need to edit my makeup video so it's in time. Need to refill my air freshener. So it's up in time for Tuesday, because I can't always guarantee that I'm going to be free or available enough to edit and stuff over the weekend. Who knows? This week has been very weird, so I can't really promise anything. So I'm going to make myself some food now, and then while I'm eating my food, I will watch an episode or 2 or 3 maybe of the originals. The weather is miserable as fuck as always. This is a bit of a more natural lighting of my makeup. Very peachy, very glowy. And then yeah, I will be editing my shit basically, because I don't have an editor, because I'm not that bougie. So yes, food. I have been filming like my food cooking segments on my iPad, so that's what we're going to do now. But to start off with, I'm just going to fill my Blend Active with some apple juice. Trying out a different smoothie, so I'm just trying like a few different things. So I'm just going to finish off this pack of tropical mix. You probably cannot see. Where is it? This guy. This is pineapple, papaya and mango. So I'm just going to stick that in. I'm also going to add a little bit of honey. I know this is going to be like very TMI, but if you are one that suffers from constipation or anything like that, honey is a very natural laxative, so it's good to keep your bowel movement. That's why I always add honey. I'm also going to add 2 of these Weight Watchers apricot yoghurt. I've never actually had yellow plum before, so I don't know if they taste any different to red plums. And I'm just going to cut up some strawberries. And now my smoothie is done. Ta-da! I love a smoothie. I really do love a smoothie. But what I'm making now for lunch wasn't what I had for dinner Wednesday, but what I had for dinner on Wednesday was chicken wraps with lettuce, peppers, coleslaw, a little bit of mayo and chicken. I think I put cheese in one of them as well. In a wholemeal wrap. Basically, I just don't fancy that. I just fancy a jack potato with cheese and coleslaw and chicken. So that's what we're doing today. Hopefully next week will be a lot more entertaining than this week. And also I hope that next what I eat Wednesday is actually what I eat Wednesday. And not like just 2 meals out of the 3 and snacks. So hopefully, yeah, hopefully next week is going to be a little bit more entertaining. Like I said at some point during the week, this week has been very, very weird for me. It's been a bit of a roller coaster, shall we say, on the mental, emotional front. So yeah, nothing's really happened this week because of that. So hopefully next week something entertaining is going to happen, something a little bit more enjoyable to watch other than my face talking to you guys. Like, this is what it is for me. Like, life isn't always glamorous, it isn't always fun or energetic or anything like that. And sometimes weeks, days can be a little bit weird. And this week has been one of those weeks. It's been pretty weird. Bit of a roller coaster on the emotional, mental front, like I've said. So, hopefully, like I've said, next week will be a little bit more entertaining. But I'm just going to be here sipping my smoothie, which I will leave the recipe down below for you guys as well if you're interested in that. My neighbours are looking at me, so I retreat back to the front room. Downside to having a kitchen that literally opens up to everything. But yeah, I'm also going to go back to watching the originals. So in true Jess fashion, my TV's on in the background. In true Jess fashion, I didn't finish this vlog or finish yesterday. I just stopped recording yesterday. But this is now Saturday. I'm looking a bit of a hot mess in my pyjamas, as you do. I've just been watching the World Superbikes because that's like a guilty pleasure of mine. World Superbikes about GP. I am just currently editing this vlog right now, and that's when I realised I have no ending. So I'm going to end it now. So if you did like this vlog, then click thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I'm here every Sunday with a weekly vlog and every Tuesday with a beauty video. I hope your week's been a lot better than mine. I hope you're having a good day. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye guys.